To lose water weight. It might seem counterintuitive, but you should actually drink more water. If you aren't drinking enough water, your body becomes dehydrated and starts to retain water. Drinking water will rehydrate your system and stop your body from storing extra water reserves. In addition, avoid eating foods that have lots of sodium, like packaged snacks and frozen meals, since excess sodium can also make your body hold on to water. For a longer-term but effective strategy, eat foods rich in potassium like bananas, avocados, and carrots, which may help your body lose extra water weight. Try incorporating regular exercise to your routine to increase your heart rate and breathing pace and cause yourself to sweat. Perspiration can help reduce fluid retention. Finally, to lose weight in the long run, adjust your portion sizes and exercise regularly to burn calories.